How to turn on or turn off display length over thumbnail on MX Player app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to the app. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top here and click on this little icon. As you can see, now all what you have to do is simple. Just go down here and you will find display length over thumbnail. Now you can enable it or disable it just from here easily, as you can see. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.